ba arpo metric ton Sohñiamtra khasi Mandarin apen kit bat shalan sha Dubai ka waini ki nongba bapau ha ka than Middle East ka badan ha United Arab Emirates ya ka kali ka bakit yo ni Sohñiamtra khasi beletip kerteng khasi Mandarin la ka we lama da ka menteri bedai pej ya ka tanat ka rep karyang ha ka jingdon lang jong u Emily ka melim ba Roni V Lyngdoh ubadai unong elam kaliang persya hayung darbar thawain lembat ki officer jong ka tanat na apo shilong haba ai jingkren langkot ha kani kasngi na kaliang ka kong Ampareen kalapan pau ka jingkemen bat pan pau ya ka jingkut jingbot scam ba ka sorkar kan kershan ni ki nongrep bat ai jingkermen menang pen klan ya jingkiu ya karep keryang bat pen klan ya jingate ha ka khai ka pateng bat ki wei pat kiri ka perthai kane ki jingjap ban pen nya yau yo Sohñiamtra klalong kum ka wei na ki jingla ban pen poi sakathong menang pen kiu ya ki marrep maryang na ka than bat ban pen poi skiran san ya dia thet ha ka perthai hi baro ka wei.
Today we are like talking of 20 metric tons. If you look at farmers' benefit, you're looking at a good 20 to 25 lakh economics, and when you're looking at a marketing, by the time it reaches across the seas into a faraway land, we are going to be looking at about approximately under 50 lakhs of business. And this is just for one product in isolation. We've not looked at the pineapple, we've not looked at the spices, we've not looked at other fruit materials like jackfruit, we've not looked at the potential of our jams, our juices. And for me, this journey of 8 months in this department has taken me to a big eye-opening realization that one day very shortly we will be producing potatoes of high quality for chip making and vegetables. We will go places together and we will show the people of the state of Meghalaya that you can go places. You may be a small state of 30 plus lakh people, but we can be a voice in this nation and we can make a difference and we can make sure that everybody stops complaining that I don't have a job when there is so much for everyone to do. Point is, will you do your job? It is to be seen, to be tested. But for those that have tested and have become successful, please speak about your success and show others who may not understand that it is all possible. Thank you to APEDA and all that you do, and God bless this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Jai Hind, Kublai Mithila.